Good morning! Today I am going to show you how you can model your own keychain to 3D print it. I am going to be using Fusion 360. I first start by adding my text onto Fusion. Once that it is extruded, it will come off as a body instead of a sketch. This is the right time to scale it as you want to. I have then drawn a rectangle sketch which has the dimensions of my sketch. I can extrude it toward the bottom and add a hole which will allow me to attach it to the key. I also have added a fillet so that it is extra smooth in the pocket, and there you are. If this video has helped you, you can consider subscribing. I upload content about electronics, scavenging, 3D printing, and making things in general. You can also comment below if you still have any questions about the project. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video, which will be on Monday.